Welcome. Today we will see how to construct the ROI, how to form the region of interest as per our requirement. First we will perform layer stacking operation.
For layer stacking operation, you have to load all the 11 bands of Landsat 8, select all the bands and open. This will open all the bands. Then go into the basic tools, layer stacking. Then you have to import the file. Select all the 11 bands and then click OK. Then you have to reorder all the files. Arrange all the 11 bands. Now all the bands are ordered. OK. Then choose the folder where you want to save your output of layer stack operation. Give the name. Then click on OK. The layer stack operation will be performed. Rest of the all the settings we have to keep as it is. OK. Now this will take one by one and form a stack of all the 11 bands.
Layer stacking operation is complete. Now we can use these images for next processing. Here we are going to use the Landsat image. First the layer stack image of the all bands is formed. Load the layer stack image of the Landsat 8. Then go into the this is the classic view of NVIN. Here you have to go into the basic tools and region of interest. Now select ROI tool. So this will open the ROI tool window. In this case, you can select either image, scroll or zoom window for forming the ROI. First, by default, you have the region name. You can give the name to the region. For example, we'll find out the first region for water body. You can select the color for the ROI by right clicking on the color. Then I have selected zoom window. Now select zoom the window, select the region of interest. Likewise, you can form the region of interest for the different area, different locations. Click on the new region. Now you can mark the another area. Navigate through the image. Here the green color indicates the visitation. So you can name the ROI as visitation. So green colors, you can select the different points at different locations in the image as the ROI. The color used here is red. So you can point out the area of interest is marked with the red color where we have the visitation. Again on the left side you have the more visitation. So repeat this process and remember that you should have more number of pixel and you should cross some threshold value so that the ROI may be useful for the further applications like for classification or for clustering. So this is how we have formed the region of interest for the visitation, given the name as visitation. Again you can change the color or you can keep it as red. Similarly, we'll see how to form the new region of interest. The quite dark or violet color lines are the roads. You can create the ROI for the roads, but as it is very small or thin lines are there, you should properly select the points of this ROI so that you will get the accurate result in your further analysis. You have to select more number of pixels or more number of point. In this case, we have selected the ROI or region of interest as a polygon. You can select it as a polyline or you can select it as a pixels. So one by one pixels you can select and that gets added into the ROI. You can change the color of the ROI. So this is how we can form the ROI region of interest by using the Landsat bands. Here I have used the band 751. You can use any color of bands. Now this is importing the ROI. First you need to save the ROI at a particular place. In the folder you can save the ROI and whenever you require you can export those ROIs. You can use those ROIs, give the name to the ROI land. Select all the ROIs we have constructed and save it. Now here is the go to. You can use go to go to the particular region of interest. So with save ROI you can save the ROIs. Again you can restore the ROIs for the particular image you have created by using restore ROI. Again there are different options. You can export the ROIs to the EVF file. Also you can export the ROIs as a shape file. ROI tool, export the ROI to ND visualizer. So there are different options. Export the ROIs. You can load the ROIs. You can see the 3 ROIs we have created. Click on the OK. It will export the ROIs. Now see in the ROI tool you can view the three ROIs for water body, visitation and roads. As the ROI tool is already open, so it has opened double all the ROIs. This is how you can create the ROIs and later on you can use it for classification. These ROIs can be used for land use land cover mapping, LULC mapping. If you have any doubt or if you like the video, please comment so that I can explore the more videos on this channel. Thank you.